How y'all feel out there?
I'm light years, call me eons. When the snare kick in, the beat is neon. Lights, yeah, I'm feeling magnificent. Care less what I'm up against. Yeah, you know I stay fresh like peppermint. Right, and I dive head first when I jump in it. I run it back like a champ, won't fumble it.
Alright, y'all, so I'm at a third property. This is my third property right now. And I'm liking it. It's actually a house, it's not an apartment. Let me check the view from the door so y'all can see. Alright, right now I'm at the door. This is the front door. And I'm gonna let y'all see. Okay, this would be the living room. Couch, TV, whatever I'm gonna put there, knickknacks. Windows is nice, large, big. I love that. See if he could probably switch out that. Everything is re-renovated. That's nice. We have a sliding door right here, and I think I got the grill still here though. It looks like they put a gate right here. You can see if I could get a closing gate, so that way LJ could have fun. I'm not sure how to open that, but I'm sure if I wanted it, he'll let me know how to open it. But the sliding door is good. If I could get this closed off, because that is a big hill, I'd be great with that. Probably see if we could change out them too. But that's good, it already has the installation. Looks like new gas stove, touch screen, microwave, plenty of cabinet space. Hold on, let me zone it out for y'all. Sink, they said was sanitized, I'm not sure. Dishwasher. This goes back. Seemed like they had an alarm system in here one upon a time. Half bathroom. Pretty nice. This leads to the garage, I'm sure. The garage. Let's step in here. See how it goes. Now, the garage. I now know about like termites and different things that come in garages and things. And of course I have my own pest control. But I just want to look at things for things like that, you know. System pretty good. Glock, this is pretty big, the garage. They do have a hose in the garage, I like that. A hose outlet. Let's see if the garage door is open. Okay. Okay. That's good. Okay. That's good. The garage doors open well. Let's check out upstairs. Pantry closet. Y'all see it. This is an alright kitchen space for me. We ain't doing too much. My table and my couch. The living room area is kind of perfect for real. Let's see if this works. Oh, it does not. Well, we gotta see what we gotta do about that. But another thing, y'all, I like this black because it brings out, it's giving off a little, can't think of it now. I want to say masculinity, but it's not giving it, I have to be masculine, but Y'all get it. Y'all get it. I'm gonna show y'all outside too. Let's go upstairs. Steps look like they just fairly done it. So when you walk upstairs, you're walking into the damper control zone. That is a question. Alright, y'all. So y'all know that last property that I visited? I'm so pissed off. So pissed off. That I can't even fathom the fact. Like, why not almost get scammed? Like, good thing I follow my gut and I go with my gut. Like, I almost got scammed. So, I'm, like I said, I'm searching for another property. I think I just mixed the property where I was at, not there. I'm searching up the properties, right? And that's how I'm finding them, and once you start searching for different things, people come, like, you know what I mean? Like, they start gravitating to you. Like, you ever look at say you look up a doctor, or you're looking up insurance, and then all of a sudden insurance just comes, like people from different insurance companies call you, and now everybody got the best insurance in the world for you, right? Cool. So I'm just searching. A couple people calling me back. So the one guy for the place I just seen calling me back. So he called me back and said, "Hey, you still want to go see the property?" I said, such. So I said, "Yeah, I want to see the property. I'm not too far out, coming from seeing somewhere else. I'm gonna get to you." So I get to him, whatever he tells me the code, whatever the case may be, boom, boom, bang. So I'm like, okay, great. I'm in the property. Y'all seen it. Y'all saw the property. I ain't got to say too much. And then towards the end, I'm like, yeah, I like it. I'll go for it, whatnot. And he's like, yeah, okay, if you like it, that's great. Zelle or Cash App, the down payment. Let me go in here. Once you Zelle the down payment, I'll get back to you. So I'll do the lease and whatnot. Then you go ahead and you can move in. You want to move February, right? So I'm like, yeah. And this happened. I'm gonna get back to you. Alright, yeah, y'all. So y'all gonna have to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I need to do a whole nother story time about that, cause that's crazy. That's crazy. But I'm gonna do a story time about it. So then, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna catch you on the comments. What y'all think I did, man? How y'all think I carried that? Cause bull almost scared me. How y'all think I carried that? Let me know. Peace and blessings to y'all. Happy Friday.
I'm light years, call me eons. When the snare kick in, the beat is neon. Lights, yeah, I'm feeling magnificent. Care less what I'm up against. Yeah, I stay fresh like peppermint. And I dive head first when I jump in it. I run it back like a champ, won't fumble it.